For some people, it's impossible to not eat anything for a few hours without getting shaky and grumpy. This might have something to do with your blood sugar levels not being stable. If your blood sugar levels are stable, you'll feel more energized and fit. If your blood sugar levels fluctuate continuously, you'll be much more sensitive to giving into cravings, you'll have sugar dips, and you feel very exhausted all the time. Every time you eat something, your blood sugar levels increase. The more glucose your food contains, the higher your blood sugar spikes are. If you have high blood sugar spikes, your body delivers a higher amount of insulin, and this raised amount of insulin causes your blood sugar to drop again more quickly as well. Besides this, your body will store more body fat, so it's essential to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Don't skip breakfast. It's very important to always have breakfast. To be more precise, it's wise to start the day with a meal that's rich in protein. This makes you feel full and keeps your blood sugar levels stable. That's why you should start the day with products like cheese, eggs, dairy, nuts, seeds, or meat. Eat enough fibers or meat. It includes a lot of fibers. Your body will need more time to break these down, which means the increase in blood sugar will go much more gradually. Vegetables are full of fibers, and so are legumes and whole grains like oatmeal and buckwheat. Eat regularly. Keep your blood sugar under control by eating regularly and not eating huge meals. Divide your meals over the day, eat 3 meals a day, and eat an additional 2 snacks throughout the day. Eat less sugar. Or at least avoid fast sugars. You can find not only fast sugars in candy, soft drinks, and cookies but also in white pasta and white bread. Try to avoid candy, soft drinks, and cookies as much as possible and replace white bread and pasta with whole grain substitutes. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a true miracle product. It can work wonders in your garden, but it's also very good for your blood pressure. Cinnamon makes sure you feel hungry less quickly and keeps your blood sugar levels stable, so why not add some cinnamon to your coffee, dinner, or smoothie? Exercise and get enough sleep. Try going for a walk after dinner a little more often. By doing so, you're giving your digestion a little boost and you keep your blood sugar levels stable. A good night's sleep is also important for stable blood sugar. Try to get 8 hours of sleep every night.